ways. They've sent me cards in the mail on my birthday, for the holidays. I'm part of their e-newsletter, which has been wonderful to stay informed. And they periodically call me to see how everything is going and if I need any other help. I love the friendly welcome on the phone, the prompt service, and always the explanation of what they're going to be doing and how much the cost will be. The overall experience has been very pleasurable, very enjoyable. They treat you like family, and I've been very happy to be part of the C&D Garage Door family.